Space is vast, it is cold, and it is unforgiving. For millennia, celestial objects have danced around each other in a delicate ballet of gravity. But this dance is not always peaceful. Sometimes these cosmic waltzes end in cataclysmic collisions. Such an event has just shaken the foundations of our solar system. Pluto, the icy dwarf planet, has collided with Neptune. This is not science fiction. Telescopes around the world have captured this cosmic event in all its terrifying glory. The images are both awe-inspiring and sobering. They are a stark reminder of the immense power of the universe and the fragility of our own planet. This event is unprecedented in human history. Never before have we witnessed such a dramatic collision in our solar system. The scientific community is abuzz with excitement and trepidation. What does this mean for the future of our solar system? What will we learn from this cosmic catastrophe? To understand this event, we must first understand the intricate dance of gravity. Every object in the universe, from the smallest asteroid to the largest star, exerts a gravitational pull on every other object. This force is what holds our solar system together, dictating the paths of planets, moons, and even the smallest particles of space dust. Pluto and Neptune have always had a complex relationship. Pluto's orbit is highly elliptical, crossing Neptune's orbit for a short period during its 248-year journey around the Sun. For centuries, these two celestial bodies have maintained a delicate gravitational balance, avoiding a collision. However, gravity is a fickle force. The slightest gravitational tug from a passing star or a nudge from the outer planets can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to unpredictable consequences. And in this case, the consequences have been catastrophic. Pluto has always been an enigma. Discovered in 1930, it was hailed as the ninth planet of our solar system. But Pluto was different. Smaller than our own moon and with a tilted, eccentric orbit, it didn't quite fit in with its gas giant neighbors. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet. This decision sparked controversy and debate, but it highlighted Pluto's unique nature. It was a celestial rebel, refusing to be confined by the traditional definitions of a planet. Now, with this collision, Pluto has once again defied expectations. It has gone from a seemingly insignificant dwarf planet to the protagonist in a cosmic drama of epic proportions. This event has reignited the debate about Pluto's classification, but more importantly, it has given us a front-row seat to a cosmic spectacle unlike any other. For years, astronomers have known that a collision between Pluto and Neptune was theoretically possible. Computer simulations showed that while the two orbits intersected, the timing of their orbits made a collision highly improbable. But as we know, the universe operates on its own timetable. The exact cause of the collision is still under investigation. Some theories suggest that a passing star might have disrupted the gravitational balance, nudging Pluto onto a collision course with Neptune. Others propose that the gravitational influence of the Kyper Belt, a region of icy bodies beyond Neptune, played a role. Whatever the cause, the collision was inevitable. The laws of physics are absolute. And when two massive objects are set on a collision course, there is no stopping them. Cosmic mayhem unveiled. The collision itself was a slow-motion cataclysm that unfolded over millions of years. As Pluto drew closer to Neptune, the gravitational forces between the two bodies intensified. Pluto, the smaller of the two, began to distort and stretch under Neptune's immense gravitational pull. The actual moment of impact was marked by an unimaginable release of energy. The icy surface of Pluto shattered, sending plumes of ice and rock hurtling into space. Neptune's atmosphere, composed mostly of hydrogen, helium, and methane, was compressed and heated to millions of degrees. The debris from this cosmic collision, a maelstrom of ice, rock, and superheated gas, now forms a vast and expanding ring around Neptune. This ring, a testament to the destructive power of the universe, will likely persist for millions of years. Echoes in the Kyper Belt. The collision of Pluto and Neptune sent shockwaves throughout the solar system, but nowhere are these effects felt more acutely than in the Kyper Belt. This region, home to Pluto and countless other icy bodies, has been thrown into disarray. The gravitational shockwave from the collision is disrupting the orbits of these icy objects, sending some hurtling inwards towards the sun while flinging others out into the depths of interstellar space. This cosmic game of billiards has the potential to redirect comets and asteroids towards the inner solar system. The Kyper Belt, once a relatively stable region of the solar system, is now a chaotic and unpredictable place. The long-term consequences of this destabilization are still unknown, but it is a stark reminder that even the most distant corners of our solar system are not immune to change. A new solar system emerges. The collision between Pluto and Neptune marks a turning point in the history of our solar system. The solar system we knew, with its familiar arrangement of planets, has been irrevocably altered. The debris field from the collision will eventually coalesce into a new ring system around Neptune, adding to the gas giant's already impressive collection of rings. This new ring system, composed of the remnants of a once planet, will serve as a lasting reminder of this cosmic event. Furthermore, the gravitational ripples from the collision will continue to propagate throughout the solar system, potentially affecting the orbits of other planets and celestial bodies. The solar system is a dynamic and ever-evolving place, and this collision has set in motion a chain of events that will continue to shape its future for millions of years. Implications for Earth. A cause for concern? The collision of Pluto and Neptune has understandably raised concerns about the safety of Earth. After all, we are part of this same cosmic shooting gallery. However, it is important to remember the vast distances involved. The Kyper Belt, where the collision occurred, is located billions of miles from Earth. While it is true that some debris from the collision could be flung inwards towards the inner solar system, the probability of any of this debris actually striking Earth is extremely low. That said, this event should serve as a wake-up call. It reminds us that our planet is not immune to the dangers lurking in the cosmos. It underscores the importance of continued investment in asteroid detection and planetary defense systems. A new age of discovery. While the collision of Pluto and Neptune was a destructive event, it also presents an unprecedented opportunity for scientific discovery. The debris field from the collision is a treasure trove of information, offering clues about the composition of both Pluto and Neptune's atmosphere. Telescopes around the world and in space are being trained on the remnants of this cosmic collision. Scientists are eager to analyze the light passing through the debris field, which will reveal the chemical fingerprints of the shattered worlds. This event will undoubtedly lead to new discoveries about the formation of our solar system, the composition of icy bodies in the outer solar system, and the dynamics of planetary collisions. It is a reminder that even in destruction, there is opportunity for knowledge and understanding. Rewriting the textbooks. Pluto's revenge. The collision of Pluto and Neptune has sent shockwaves through the scientific community, forcing us to reevaluate our understanding of the solar system. It is a stark reminder that our knowledge of the universe is constantly evolving. This event will undoubtedly rewrite textbooks. It challenges our previous assumptions about the stability of planetary orbits and the potential for catastrophic collisions in our solar system. It also reignites the debate about Pluto's status, blurring the lines between planets and dwarf planets. But perhaps the most important lesson is the realization that the universe is far more dynamic and chaotic than we once believed. It is a humbling reminder that we are still just beginning to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. The importance of continued exploration. The collision of Pluto and Neptune underscores the importance of continued space exploration. Only by venturing beyond our planet can we hope to understand the vast and complex universe we inhabit. We need more telescopes, both on the ground and in space, to observe and study these cosmic events. We need more robotic missions to explore the outer reaches of our solar system and gather data about the composition and behavior of celestial objects. And perhaps most importantly, we need to inspire future generations to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. STEM. They will be the ones to make sense of the data, to unravel the mysteries of the universe, and to ensure the future of humanity among the stars. Our place in the cosmos. The collision of Pluto and Neptune is a sobering reminder of the immense scale and power of the universe. It highlights the fact that our planet is just one small world orbiting an average star in a galaxy teeming with billions of other stars. But this event should not fill us with fear. Instead, it should inspire awe and wonder. The universe is full of beauty, wonder, and endless possibilities for discovery. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we may find that events like this collision, while seemingly destructive, are simply part of a grander cosmic cycle. A cycle of creation and destruction that has been playing out for billions of years. And we, as humans, have the privilege of witnessing it.